Hello friends, good morning everyone. I came for respond on the one incident where there the Telangana Jagruti activists attacked on the Q News channel on Tinmar Mallanna. Friends, which was happened the incident, the activists of the Kavitas, leaders of the Kavita and supporters of the Kavita, they were attacked on the Tinmar Mallanna and Q News channel. That time what they were said, who are the activists of the Kavita, who are the leaders of the Kavita, what they were said, we were came for protest on the which was the Tinmar Mallanna spoke the words which was his speech. We came for protest, but what they were did, they attacked on Tinmar Mallanna. They abused and they were thrashed and they were beaten and they were attempt to murder the Tinmar Mallanna. You know, that time when they were attacked, the activists of the Kavita, that time who is the gunman of the Tinmar Mallanna? His name Ramakrishna. He was open fired 6 bullets on the air for the confront and for the withstand and for the disperse the who were attacked on them. The time the Tinmar Mallanna's hand also injured. Why they attacked on the Tinmar Mallanna means the Tinmar Mallanna he was spoke to the media and at the when they were conduct the one meeting. The time Tinmar Mallanna he stirred the harness of net. What was means he said, was Kavita had any marriage alliance with the BCs? Was Kavita had any meal alliance with the BCs? Why the Kavita showing the newfound love on the basis like that he was spoke with the media? But who are the activists of the Kavita? They took that one is a abused word, that one is was a derogatory speech, and they attacked. You know, might there was any mistake. There was any abused speech. There was any derogatory speech. The Kavita had to um, had to go there where there the police station, where there the DGP should go and should give the complaint on the Tinmar Mallanna, and she should file the case on him, but she shouldn't. They should not attack and should not attempt to murder on the Tinmar Mallanna before the given the complaint on him, but they student they attacked and they attempt to murder to the Tinmar Mallanna. Why she provoked her activists and her leaders and on the Tinmar Mallanna? Completely she breached her limits and she attacked. Is it correct, friends? I am asking. Completely that one is not correct. That is why I am demanding to the uh, MLC Council chairperson Gutta Sukendar Reddy should be terminated from the MLC, and I am demanding to the police officials limits of the Bodupal DGP should be set the probe on the issue and should be nab them who were attacked on the Tinmar Mallanna and should be file the case on them and should be took them on the custody. This is my demand. I am asking everyone have the freedom of the expression, freedom of the speech, freedom of the rights, that given the constitution, that constitution written by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. By why they thought themselves, only we are a Telangana protesters, Telangana only our assert and our the like that, why they thought themselves, not there. The Telangana belong to the all people. This is that is why I am completely condemning which was happened, which was attacked by the Kavita's activists. Completely I am condemning and I am stand with the Tinmar Mallanna. Thank you, JB.